Hello guys, in this video we will know about how we can create an automatic form in Excel without using VBS. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. Here we have an Excel sheet and we have here heading, serial number, name, roll number and subject, and we want to create an automatic form so that we will get a dialog box which are having this serial number, name, roll number and subject entries, so that we can automatically enter without using this cursor in Excel sheet. How we can use this? Simply you have to click here, that's a quick access toolbar, and here you can see below more commands. Click on it and now here you can see popular commands. This is a drop down box here. Click on it and click here all commands, and here you can scroll down and search forum. Click on it and click here add, and you can see the forum is now on right side of the pane, and click OK. Now you have to select these heading and click here forum, and you can click here OK. Now you can see that it automatically shows you the input dialog box that you can enter the records here in serial number, name, roll number and subject. Let us try first. One is 1 and tab and name, roll number is 1 and subject is non-medical, let us suppose, and click new record. Here you can see the first record has been added in this row. Now you can enter the second one, serial number 2, name is roll number 2, subject is medical, and this way you can enter the records without using these cells. You can get the automatic dialog box where you can enter the records, and you can also go to the previous, you can find previous records as well. Find next. This way you can enter the records without using this Excel sheet. You have this automatic form dialog box, and I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.